Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be on how I treat and wash my brushes. So stay tuned and see what I do. So I'm starting off with my hot water in a bowl. Then I add liquid soap. Then I go for my Dettol. So when I'm through with that, I bring in my brushes one by one. See, I'm just putting it and shaking it in the hot water. Then I drop. I take another one and do the same. I repeat for the others. So I just put them in the water. Then I'll leave them to be there for like 1 hour so that it can soak properly. Just put in the brushes. Then I add a little more of the liquid soap and leave it to soak. So now I'm going to my beauty blender. This is olive oil. I'll pour some on the beauty blender and rub it in. Then I'll go with liquid soap to squeeze out the oil from the beauty blender. So I'm just trying to remove as much as possible. See, add more oil. It helps removes it faster. See, the color has changed, so I dip it in the water. See, the color has changed. It's neater now. Then I run my water to rinse properly and thoroughly, squeezing it very well. So this is my blending brush. So now we go to the other brushes. After leaving for 1 hour, then I scrub on my hand to remove any remaining makeup on the brush. So this is good. So I go to the next one. I will repeat the same for all of the other brushes till I get to the end. So now I'm just rinsing all the brushes after thorough washing. So just rinsing. See, the water is neat. So meaning my brushes are neat. They're clean. They're back. So if you're new here for the first time, consider subscribing. And if you're returning, thank you for always coming back. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. So I'm going to dry my brushes now and you see the way they will look. So my brushes are back. Bye.